Wonderful.
Yeah, team effort.
Lots of nice time on the bottom.
This one's been overgrown by the sponge too.
But it, it's so interesting because as far as we know, this has never been dived on before. I had no idea what to expect, and we dove on another seamount similar to this one yesterday and just had a completely different experience.
Could we zoom in on this one, please, and thank you? I'm just, the plating, Just because I
really
think,
into the plating.
well, so it's cool because we're seeing different genus of corals that are all showing similar morphologies. So based on this one, I am going to say that this one is the Porites.
No, I'm enjoying zooming in on things. So I'm happy.
Got a different texture.
wow.
Yeah, it has that different texture. Yeah, it has that smoother texture, smaller polyps. And we actually have a Christmas tree or some kind of worm to the right.
Lower right.
And so even from the plating one that we were looking at that I think is Pavono.
Oh,
there you
it's
go.
expanding. Oh, there's the little hook thing.
Yeah, so that's the...
Whoa, that was cool.
It's almost like it's a perculum. It's the bit that covers the tube that it can like open and close. I don't know about the spikes.
Yeah, the white fork.
So what do these worms eat?
Look like a filter feeder, huh?
Yeah, I think they filter feed with their, that's what the sort of big Christmas tree frilly bit is for.
That's cool.
So that spiky bit's probably just to protect its burrow.
So it's just interesting that you're seeing these similar morphologies, but as soon as you get the zoom, you see that perspective of the polyps, and then very, very quickly you can begin to see that it's actually an entirely different organism altogether. But
that's excellent
even though
radio
the gross
use.
shape is similar to other ones.
yeah.
So this is a deep sea one. You can see this like almost flowery bit. That's what it uses to cover the tube when it retracts in.
So Kelsey, it looks like we just got a question from the chat. So concerning the purple broccoli-like coral, are they all individual animals?
Is this different?
Are they thousands of individual animals living together?
Oh, that's super cool. I don't know what that is. As for the Pleuriogyra, what we're looking at is individual corallites that are coming together to form one colony. So multiple animals in one home.
Oh, thank you so much for sharing that.
It's a great question. And we're really seeing the polyps of that heliopora extended up above. This is...
Oh, look at that.
What's these squishy things?
Yeah. Squishy things?
Yeah.
Period.
That, I think, is another bryozoan.
Oh, yeah.
Flower coral.
What is that? Just another different kind of coral.
Oh, that's a
Sounds silly, but
heliopora.
it looks wet.
Yeah.
It does, yeah. That is the heliopora with its polyps fully extended. So that size can kind of, it's as small as a needle point when you're eyeballing it up close. And so you can really see those tentacles and how delicate these are. That looks like, I might have found it. This is fantastic imagery.
This is beautiful. Props
So,
to the flying and the focus.
yes, thank you all so much. So the other really sick thing that's going to happen is as we get closer and closer to dark, all of these corals are going to start extending their polyps, the ones that use manual feeding, because during the day they're using photosynthetic zooxanthellae to photosynthesize, and then at night they're going to extrude their tentacles and they're just going to start grabbing
These
things.
guys?
All
of them.
All of the corals that use both photosynthesis and manual feeding mechanisms.
Cool.
Sarah, you're laughing at me.
Oh, I'm not. I am.
Okay.
I am like. I'm thrilled. How long is this dive? How long do I get to stay on? Because I.
Darn it! It's too bad we don't have the royal blue LEDs.
That would be
Wouldn't
cool.
that be amazing to
That'd
have
be really cool.
just UV
Yeah,
illuminate everything?
maybe we could bring that up.
Yeah,
That'd
they
be
make
so
them.
cool.
You can buy the pucks for the LEDs that we have. Actually,
No, that was my excited face.
Okay, cool.
So.
Because my
I
arms
love
are over
that.
here just flying.
I was like, yes.
that would be like really. That would be like Avatar in
Oh
here.
my
That
God.
would be so beautiful. Looks like we got another question in the chat. Aren't sea cucumbers a delicacy on the Pacific Islands? Yeah, you know, in places like Palau, they do use sea cucumbers as a means of food. I believe that they can be either eaten raw for certain sea cucumbers, or some of them are fermented, depending on the region. But I believe that different regions and places prepare sea cucumbers and different sea cucumbers in different ways. So thank you for that question.
I think they do a lot of farming of sea cucumbers in Madagascar, and they eat them a lot in a variety of Asian countries like Japan and China. But because sea cucumber trade is largely unregulated, it's becoming a lot more of a problem.
Oh no.
Because these sort of big, large-scale sea cucumber farms, and they're really diminishing the populations.
Oh, the poor cukes.
Yeah.
I have done some field work in the Galapagos Islands, and I remember hearing maybe a decade or so ago that that was becoming a big problem, that there was a big market in Japan and China, and that they were being overfished, and so.
Oh no.
And there's not the same protections in place as you get for other kinds of seafood.
Yeah. That, I happen to know the name of that.
That fish?
Little, it's a forceps butterfly fish because it has a beak that's very tiny. And like,
I am so glad that you have the smaller reef fish down.
Oh, well, just from snorkeling in Hawaii, that's one of the areas over there, I think. Yeah. That's one of the butterfly fish that are in Hawaii.
So science, did we want to do a designated transect section before 6:30? Or
¿Qué hora es?
was I misunderstanding?
6:12.
I kind of think we're almost doing it.
Yeah,
the way
I think
we
it's
are.
okay right now.
Right, and
just because we don't have anything else for comparison elsewise, I think that this is okay. And if we want to take stills from it and do some sort of benthic composition, we're good.
Right,
You
and
do
part of
percentage cover.
Yeah, can do percent cover.
and part of what we'll get from this is the day-night difference too, right?
Plus, I think we're having too much fun being able to go like, I want to go here.
Yeah, that's the bottom line.
Yeah.
I do want to say this is some beautiful flying. Thank you so much for the steadiness for both
really
of you.
Smooth.
And thank you all for your patience with my desire to zoom in on all plating corals.
It's beautiful.
We're
Yes,
with you.
please do.
I highly approve of that.
Oh, I wouldn't be able to see my worms if we
The worms. Worm party.
We're 100% behind you.
Yeah.
4 to 8 loves zoom in.
I'm surprised we haven't seen any cephalopods, any squids or octopuses.
Yeah.
I would love to see some.
I think they saw one on the previous
There
watch.
was one at one point. I was watching downstairs, and it slipped away into a crack when they tried to zoom.
Oh, it's cool. Do you want to
This
zoom
looks
on
like
that one?
A big one here.
Is there something in there?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, those lights are gross.
They are gross.
Oh, it's an urchin.
Oh.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the urchin?
You can just see its spines.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like some kind of diadema.
Have to cross that off your list of
Yeah,
things
there
we
we
haven't
go.
seen.
Nice spot, Ben.
Clearly they're really hiding away in the cracks in the crevices.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
He's got his little penthouse apartment in there.
Welcome to my crib. So cute. It's kind of like waving.
There's quite a few. That's a bryozoa in there.
I think that coral that we're seeing that's branching is a postuloprid.
This one?
Yeah. Just because it has kind of the compacted branches.
Beauty.
It might be this one. Occurs only in deep water. That would make sense. Yeah. I don't think it's meandra, that's two, but I think it's this. I think it might be the molokensis. Yeah, it's hard to say without genetic testing.
How about this one?
Interesting. Could we go into that?
Sure.
The more we look,
Please
the more,
and thank you.
the more we look, the more we see.
Oh, and there's another little star.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is not the Heliopora that we've been seeing, but it is a similar morphology.
There's
Oh,
another
yeah.
Another sea star.
Oh, where's the, oh, hello. So beautiful.
Now who this is, I don't know.
Look at this orange fish doing a headstand.
Okay, I'm taking a shot of that. Maybe Isopora, I don't know, I don't think so. Okay, thank you.
It looked like there were several of those mixed in to this slope. Yeah, like here's another one.
There's definitely higher diversity in corals around here.
Yeah.
Our depth is around 73 meters. Ooh, Eva's favorite.
Yay.
I like those too.
A little
Bill's favorite.
Pull me a line.
Yeah.
Hello.
Huh, what's that straight line thing?
Oh,
Yeah,
this
it
thing
looks like a line.
Yeah,
Take a gander.
looks a little
looks like
unnatural.
line.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
it does.
Oh.
Yep.
Another rope.
I bet it's fishing line that got encrusted.
Oh, oh man.
Yeah.
Like it might have just gotten snapped.
Uh-huh. Because this is deep enough that people would be deep
It's
sea fishing here.
It looks pretty thick though, huh? Like a rope, or what do you think?
I'm trying to decide.
Boy,
I think it's just really encrusted fishing line, because if you're doing bottom fishing, you're going to have a,
pretty stout.
high tensile strength.
And it also doesn't mean they were fishing right in this area.
Yeah.
It could have drifted and caught. So they could have been fishing deeper. And
Now that's interesting. That looks like a little bit of bleaching, actually.
Where?
Right there.
The paleness.
The really
Yeah. What's
light-
the water temp? Let's see.
Showing still 24.
It's like a rain.
That is not a happy coral.
Yeah, could you tell us a little more about coral bleaching?
Sure.
What does that mean?
Yeah. So coral bleaching is a phenomenon that happens to our shallower water corals because of that symbiotic relationship with the photosynthetic zooxanthellae. when the water gets too hot, the corals actually, the polyps will actually eject the photosynthetic zooxanthellae back out into the water column. And these zooxanthellae are what actually give the corals their color in the tissue. And so the tissue bleaches, it turns white. And again, this is a stress response to heat. And so it creates this bleaching event.
So just when the water gets
Getting
too
a bit
hot.
darker now.
When the water gets too hot, the polyps get real unhappy, and they kick out the zooxanthellae. They think of it as it's like an immunocompromise, right? An autoimmune disorder almost, if we're trying to make a human analogy. And now what is cool is that corals can recover from bleaching and they can get recolonized by these zooxanthellae, but it is not the most common. We're seeing some pretty shimmery water, so I'm thinking we're getting a mixing of this. We're kind of at a thermocline here.
Another urchin there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's a thermocline?
I
I know you did a really great and amazing detail.
I feel bad. I just feel like I'm talking all the time. Bill, go ahead.
Near the surface of the ocean where the temperature changes the fastest with depth. Is that about right?
Yeah. Yep. And then because the temperature impacts the density of the water, when they create this mixing event, you'll see it creates kind of that refraction of light.
Right. Patty Fryer on the science chat was saying different water temperatures cause changes in the refractive index of water. So it
do you want to get
changes
this
the
trumpet fish?
optical qualities of how light transmits through it.
Oh, thank you so much, Patty. And thank you so much, all of you. Kelsey, I really don't ever want you to feel bad for sharing your knowledge and talking and sharing your enthusiasm. You've been so wonderful, and thank you so much for being so generous with your knowledge.
Well, thank you all for listening. We've got a forced captive audience in the van.
Well, what is this? This very long friend?
Trumpet fish, right?
A trumpet fish. What do they eat? Like, how do they live? Like, they're very long.
They are very long. They have that elongated snout. I believe they are carnivorous. So they're eating other smaller invertebrates.
They just kind of poke them and then they eat them up?
I don't think that they are poking them. I think that they probably are chomping them.
Oh, chomping.
Chomp, maybe a little chomp, maybe a little swallow.
They look like a little tiny dragon, like with all the fins that are along its body.
Johan, why didn't you share this knowledge earlier, sir?
Wait, Johan, did you say something? My friend?
Oh, I said it not on the chat. But yeah, trumpet fish, I believe, with their elongated body, they can kind of curl up and then like snap, which lets them speed up really quickly. And they can kind of lurch at something and
This is some great
catch it by
footage
surprise.
right now.
So
This
good.
is lovely.
I like the colors.
Wow.
Stripes.
Profile pic.
Look at him.
Oh, amazing.
Teeny little fins.
Oh, the focus and the flying. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Look at those eyes, just constantly switching about, maintaining the alertness.
Oh yeah, those are a big issue. The corner.
Yeah, they keep coming up. I know. I'm like, I know what that is. I'm not trying to find that.
Hello.
Oh, face off.
Oh, goodness. It swims so smoothly. Wow.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, I think that was my favorite shot of the shift.
Yeah, that's great.
That was a grouper that swam off.
Seems like he was chasing that little guy, that trumpet fish.
Yeah.
It's definitely getting darker, huh?
It's definitely getting darker, yeah.
Yeah. Kelsey, we did get...
We're on the opposite side of the hill, I guess, too.
Yeah. Kelsey, we did get a comment from the chat from one of our friends. A lot of the non-captive audience members on the feed appreciate you sharing your knowledge as well. So thank you so much.
That's so nice. Thanks, guys.
This area looks a little different. Is it just because it's a steeper, we're sort of on the steeper slope?
More crusty.
Definitely, I'll turn
Yeah,
to
we're a
look
little
at the
bit
slope
deeper,
here so you can get an idea of how steep it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
wow. Slope really does have a significant impact on what can settle there.
Right, we're kind of on the edge of this kind of haystack-shaped top of the seamount, where it's really steep on the sides, and
that looks like
a break and slope.
90-degree angle almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty. We did get another comment. Trumpet fish have a jaw that's similar to a snake. They can eat stuff bigger than their heads, and they've been known to eat snapper and grunts.
Really?
Wow.
Thank you so much for sharing that. That's really interesting.
So we've actually got some flametail. It looks like flametail snapper, definitely a type of snapper in the bottom part of the frame.
Yeah,
again, that heliopora.
There's
fish at the
like
bottom.
None of those grape coral
underneath
right
there.
Here.
Yeah.
So why are they called snappers?
Why are they called snappers? That's a great question, Johan. Clearly you've been sitting on some knowledge.
I don't know that one. Do they make a little clicky sound? Or is that like the...
They snap their fingers.
No, that's like grunts.
That, yeah.
What a color on that guy.
Oh, hello.
What a perfect little home.
What are these things?
So it looks like snappers are called snappers because it comes from the sharp snapping sound they produce with their powerful jaws.
There we go.
There we
Snap,
go.
snap. They have a very strong bite.
Kelsey, is this another coral?
Where?
The
This
green?
stuff?
Oops.
Oh. Huh. I would maybe go with a tunicate on that one.
What, these?
No. This.
Oh, yeah, no, we were
looking
about
at
the, sorry, the
leafy,
Which one?
The
The
leafy.
Oh, the leafy? That's a type of algae.
Oh,
That
okay.
is a calcareous algae.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, and what is this guy?
Oh,
A kite?
brittle star. Let's see if it comes back
Oh, look
into view.
look at the
Sorry?
pattern on his skin.
Oh, you see, oh, they're
Oh,
fighting.
the snapper.
Get out of here. It's
Oh,
my house.
Mine.
Little trumpet fish action. And the other camera.
where'd that go?
Sorry. So
Do you want me to zoom out?
Is it?
Yeah, you can zoom.
I think there was something I want to see up there.
Oh, way up here?
Sorry.
Just up a little bit.
Up a little bit. Where's it gone, Bill?
Yeah, I think I've lost it. Not sure where
Oh,
we
never
were.
mind. There was something we were looking at that's gone.
Coming out.
Cool.
So there's like none of the purple coral down here.
No, and I'm guessing it's probably because it's too hard for them to have those really big kind of bushy morphologies.
On the steeper slope.
So we're seeing encrusting, plating, and then things that are kind of have a lower profile.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a nice view on the Atlanta.
What an interesting patch. 1, 2, 3.
So are the purple corals going to be joining the party of at night, like
It looked like they were doing the opposite.
they were retracting.
It looked like they were retracting. So I'm curious to see.
I keep looking at the screen with the back of the ship and the A-frame, like waiting for the sun to disappear.
Oh.
Got about 15 minutes or so.
Till sunset.
Mm-hmm.
That is a beautiful view of the sunset. It's kind of like shining.
I was just imagining that if there were an octopus here, unless they were moving, they might be really hard to spot.
Oh
'cause
yeah,
they
I reckon
totally
they would be
blend in,
really hard.
Yeah,
And they'd hide.
right. There's so much texture. They could blend in.
Are we at a flatter part now?
I think we're just coming up slope a bit. Yeah, so here's the purple coral. We're back into it now. Wow, it's such an abrupt edge. Huh?
That's there's something really tall there.
Oh yeah,
I do like when the
so
lights go off.
nice. Yeah, the ambient light, everything looks different.
It looks like it'd be really soft to like lie down on.
That's all I got iris-wise.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's
Yeah.
making me sleepy.
Oh,
Oh,
shark.
shark on the right.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I don't know. I was remembering what Eva said about looking over the side of the ship and
Yeah,
you
it
know,
doesn't look
imagining
like there's
that this
anything
was
there.
right below us, and yeah,
It would be super easy just to think there was absolutely nothing there at
right,
all.
and totally deep. But there's this big mountain right under the ship
Yeah,
with all this.
especially that's such
life
a
on
good
it.
view.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, there's a big tuna. Is it?
Yeah, that looks like a tuna just from its body shape
There's
and
that
hot swimming.
second one in the distance.
Yeah. So that algae that you all were looking at that you asked if it was a coral, it's a type of halimeda. So a halimeda and potentially a festivus.
Sneak attack by Ben.
I should warn you. I'll warn you.
That one, it's not too bad. Again, unless I'm zoomed in and my face is touching the screen, then it's not too scary.
I'll do better.
You're doing great.
Ben, I'd say we're
Amazing.
having a great time. Don't worry.
I'm loving all of the different like sort of lighting arrangements. The flying has been amazing. Yeah, 10 out of 10 sea stars.
Watch out, his head's going to be so big it won't be able to get out of the control van.
What'd you say, Erin?
I said, you got to be careful. His head will end up getting so big
That's
you can't
right.
get out of the control van.
You know, I'm so lucky that you say that because I'm so grateful that you say that because we have a wonderful team of capable engineers who can, who can fix any problem imaginable.
Get out the welder.
So we'll find a way.
There's a big school of something up there.
Oh yeah.
My grandma is watching and listening, and she's just texted me to say it looks like broccoli growing without the leaves.
Yeah.
And then she
Yeah.
ended the message just with bear bread, question mark, question mark.
Oh, hi, Eva's grandma. Welcome to our party.
I have the same question.
Yeah,
Bear bread?
So just
that's what we were talking about earlier.
yeah, we were talking about like some coral that like looked reminiscent of some sort of a
Yeah,
fungus called
there we
bear
go.
bread.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see.
That's the nickname for it. It's not the
yeah.
It's
actual.
like a fungus, is it? That lives
Yeah.
on trees? Oh,
No, it's this.
now I get it.
Let's see what Atalanta's lights do.
Yeah.
It's about
Let's see, we have been doing.
getting to be that time. See if there's.
Yeah.
It might
it'd
just blow it out though.
It'll be okay.
middle.
Yeah.
We can always
Yeah.
turn, tap down. So turn it on.
So we do have the middle, lower, starboard, lower, and port lower on right now.
Okay.
Those
Um,
are on.
I can tap down the iris if you try it.
Oh, that'd be great. Yeah.
Are they on?
Oh, sorry.
Interesting. I'm loving the collaboration to kind of deliver different choices
Fortunately, there's things to see.
concerning the cinematography. It's really fascinating to kind of know how important something like light can really play into just our perception of these unique ecosystems.
Yeah, I mean, Ben's done it before for BBC and stuff, but if you wanted really cinematic lighting for this, you'd actually want lights that extend past the ROV so that you get like backlit situations or side lit situations. Then you get like a much more cinematic feel.
More
Very
shadows.
dramatic. We call them like studio lighting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd hardly ever light someone face on
Yeah.
or anything.
Yeah.
Thank you for that insight.
And you'll get to know that, Amanda, when you film your documentary series
Yeah.
about the food and sea life of Guam.
Oh, that would be so
It's
amazing.
the travel channel Guam style with Amanda.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, we've got to get a couple things funded for Amanda. Her podcast.
These ones are being grown over by the sponge
Oh,
as
Yeah.
well.
thank you. I really appreciate all the
And
encouragement.
then their documentary series.
Totally.
Oh, that's funny.
Wow.
It's growing through the other one.
Let's see if I dim down a little bit. Just
Do you want me to tap it down a bit?
sure.
See what it looks
I was
like?
trying to find like a balance.
I was like, oh my gosh, what's
almost
that? And it was the claw.
Huh?
It was
just
the
messing
claw.
with lights. It just looks out of focus almost, but
I don't think it's out of focus. It's just,
no, it's just the
it's just
how it is right now.
bad. Yeah.
It's our little trumpet friend again.
That was a fun filming moment.
You can see that sponge
there
up
we
there.
go.
There it is.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That is a big one.
Oh, that's a very long.
I think it's the same one. They follow you around, I've noticed.
Yeah.
They do?
I think the
Yeah.
light helps them hunt.
Probably.
How long do you think this one is?
It's probably a meter or so.
Yep.
Do you want to zoom in on it?
Sure.
Yeah. Their shape is so interesting. They're just a line. Wow. They're so pretty.
I feel like they have quite human eyes.
The little officials.
Very expressive. Just kind of. Just cruising.
There it goes.
Oh.
Zooming back out.
Thank you.
Yep.
These are yellow tang, huh?
He's definitely on the hunt. Thanks. Yeah, I'm not using I'm not using really any of that stuff, so no, that's great. I think it is a good habit. Yeah, I'm probably bad for using. I'm just free flying most of this.
Oh, Johan, are you?
Well, that means a lot.
Interesting. There's kind of that patch of disturbance in between the two.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah. That's really
right,
interesting.
Right here.
Yeah. And it looks like it goes up the...
Yeah, I wonder if it was dragged by a net or something.
And there's so much motion in this, like just chaos everywhere. It's hard to train your eye on anything. So many things happening.
So current hasn't been a problem today, huh?
No,
Oh,
but it's interesting.
Oh,
that-
what did he catch?
Ooh,
I had
yum.
took a bite or something.
Dinner.
Yeah.
Little Jack got a snack.
Spit out some sand. You got a mouthful.
We just helped it.
Yeah. Hey, look, under the slide.
Oh, the
Yeah, that
trumpet fish is
trumpet
there
fish
too.
is eyeball and
he
tail.
He wants some action,
Wow.
too.
Probably some of our little fusellar
Aw.
friends. I know.
I'm
I
sorry.
know.
Oh, the trumpet fish is on the move. It looks like we did get a message from one of our friends in the chat. Trumpet fish are ambush predators. They like to swim with schools of other fishes and mimic structures like seagrass or pilings to hide. It's probably wondering how to mimic Herc's landing gear.
Look at this big area of
So it's
disturbance.
kind of hunting with Herc.
Yeah, there's like a little,
Oh,
there's a
Yeah,
margin
line
up here.
of
It's nice.
margin
Yeah.
of sediment around the edge.
That is sus.
what could have caused that?
So I can't really come up anymore.
No worries.
Yeah.
I'll come up a little. We'll get an overview of
That is a
whatever this
very distinguishable.
Area, yeah.
Yeah.
I just got to watch the, if you stretch it out, we'll be okay. Just make sure the tether doesn't come up and over me.
Got it.
I would imagine that that's something that fishing gear,
Oh,
detriment
no.
from fishing
Okay.
gear would make based on the amount of rubble that's underneath there
It's
as
Yeah.
well.
crazy amount of rubble.
Yeah. And just because
The-
we haven't
the
seen that much rubble
The
otherwise.
edges are pretty distinct, too.
The edges are also pretty distinct. It just looks like the outline, like they have kind of a soft V shape.
I'll come around, look downhill too. Maybe we can see what's downhill.
Okay.
Trumpet fish, buddy. Oh, there's the claw.
That's all I can do, Iris was.
No worries. Yeah, it's good.
Kind of hard to see in that
It
direction.
is.
Yeah. Here's a big fish.
I
Yeah.
think the thing that people found to be the most shocking when I was working as like a lecturer is I would show them pictures of a reef before trawling and pictures of a reef after trawling.
Ooh,
And
yeah.
then if they
Craft
would
in
be
there a little.
eating
Yeah.
a bottom fish for dinner, like if I knew that that was
Yeah.
on the menu, and I'd be like, and this is how they fish for your food. And I think it really just kind of drives the connection home. Because I don't think that, again, we realize
Right.
how destructive these practices actually are, but
Right.
these are millions of organisms that we're looking at.
You know, thinking of like how many like homes were like affected, all of these different fish and invertebrates. I don't know. I feel a lot of grief for them.
Can we try another light, Ben?
Say again?
Can we try another light to try to get rid of some of the dark
Yeah.
patches, just to see? It's just not very pretty, is it? Maybe try that just for a little bit.
Okay, I could try.
It's sort of,
And I think
It's-
that
it's
one's...
kind of about awareness of
Probably
the
mids.
Yeah,
impacts
I
of
think so.
different fishing practices, right? I mean, there's ways of fishing that aren't destructive to the seafloor and the you know, where the
I
fish
might try
live and
move this thing
reproduce,
out of the way
and
so I can
it's
look
just
down too.
Yeah.
some
Turn
practices
this.
are
Oh, you
much
got it.
more destructive and have much wider impacts than other ones. So it's just good to know, be more aware of that, because it's all about choices, right? Of
Swing it out some.
we could do it this way, or we could do it another way. That's
Yep.
not as destructive.
Okay. I got it.
Thank you.
I think
thank
I
you.
was shocked when I first saw a picture of how big cod used to be in the Atlantic.
Right.
Because I've been out on little boats in the North Sea, and we've done like little miniature like trawls to have a look at the fish when I was at university.
Yeah.
And the cod are all, you know, sort of,
Right.
I don't know what that is, like a foot or something.
Right.
And all the ones you buy in the super, but then cod used to be like
Giant, right?
absolutely enormous, like
Right.
human-sized.
Yeah. And they were like really old, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but there's just none of them anymore that are that old.
Yeah. Yeah, the cod fisheries been a real boom and bust.
There's a book called
historically.
Cod that's really good.
Yeah, I've read it. Yeah.
What's it called?
Cod.
Cod.
And then the same author wrote Salt, a book called Salt, and a book called Salmon. But I think Cod's my favorite out of them.
Is it about the fishing industry or like
The cod fishery in particular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that by
The history of it.
Kurlansky?
Yep.
Mm.
What's that up there?
Oh wow.
Oh.
Colossal cod.
Yeah, I think
Oh
it's
my
like that.
gosh. Wow.
These are the pictures I was talking about.
Is
Go
that
for
a
it.
cucumber?
Wow.
Oh, it
and
might be
there's
another
that, the
fungid. Yeah.
tongue coral.
I'm just not used to seeing them.
That looks like a cucumber.
yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's a fungid.
That's wild.
It's a coral?
Yeah, that is a free-form coral. One single
Does look like a
coral.
cow's tongue.
You could
It's got
go
fur.
and pick it up.
Yeah, it looks like a furry.
You could pick
like
it up?
Yeah, you could pick it
shag
up.
pile rug.
Wow, that is amazing.
Wow, look at you, an artist. How amazing. It does look like a sea cucumber.
Huh.
I wonder if that's on purpose.
It's like a sea cucumber with a middle parting.
Yeah.
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 Wow. That's
Shaggy
amazing.
dew.
So do these types of corals, do they also sting? And do they also have the photosymbiotic algae in them?
I'm not sure if fungids have the photosynthetic. I think they do, but they just have, as you can see, like a different polyp structure.
So long, skinny polyps.
So interesting.
So they settle and then grow into that shape?
Yep,
But they're not attached.
but they are not attached.
That's so unusual.
Yeah,
Can I
so
zoom back out?
Different
they're
lifestyle.
yeah, so they're free living in solitary. They're often elongate. They can be circular or domed.
Huh.
What we're looking at when we see kind of those ridges in it are the septa, and then they have these lobes, and the thing that looks like fur are those lobes that we're seeing.
Getting darker.
It's like the sun's just about to go down.
I feel like we're starting to see bigger fish
I agree.
on the prowl.
Yeah.
I wonder where that trumpet fish went, if it's still just hanging out. Sarah, how are you feeling? Like, how do you feel about like seeing a seascape like this?
It's your turn. Sarah's therapy session.
We just miss you. That's all. And you've been doing so well.
I'm so stoked up here. I'm just like, oh, this is, I always am like, every time we come up, I'm like, oh, this is my favorite. No, this one's my favorite. And I'm so relaxed.
I love that. I love, you know, like just, like even when we're not on watch, like you would just kind of sit in front of the TV and like the mess and just enjoy a snack and like really enjoy the sort of experience that everyone is also going through. So thank you so much for sharing that. I'm glad that you've been having a great time.
Ooh, look
Oh,
at this
hello,
guy.
friend.
Yeah.
Should we zoom on that little yellow one?
That's the forcept butterfly
Or you already
fish.
know that one?
Yeah. It's my friend from Hawaii.
Yeah,
They often hang out in pairs.
that's
Aw.
cool. Friends.
Yeah. And I do have to watch because the tether's getting pretty close to me and I can't
there's
come
the
up.
trumpet fish. He's definitely hanging out with us.
Hi, trumpet
Okay.
fish. Fishy friend. Oh,
Is this the same disturbed area?
Oh.
Or not sure.
So is this still the depth you guys were shooting for? Or you want to?
Let me see where we're
Yeah,
at.
So we did come up a little bit.
Yeah,
Oh,
we've
yeah.
been around 70 most of the time. So there's more sandy areas out in this area.
yeah. How are you managing Atalanta in such shallow water, Sarah? Like, what are you thinking about as you kind of pilot?
Yeah, so right now I'm really just keeping an eye on the depth because the shallowest that I can operate is 50 meters, and that's if we are stretched back to back. And right now I'm at 52, so I can't really come up any further. And I'm constantly watching the tether between us because sometimes with the heave of the ship, if we do get close, the tether could come up and wrap around as I dip down with the ship.
Don't want that.
So it's just kind of always surveying and then also like trying to listen to nav and what's going on. I don't know, sometimes it's a lot of multitasking and then a lot of conversations happening and you're just kind of always on watch.
Sarah's the eyes in the sky.
Yeah.
Trying.
Thank you so much
Keeping
for
the
that
tether
insight.
safe.
Keeps me
And then when I
honest.
see, a shark or something cool in Atalanta, I'm like, oh, there's a shark, it's coming.
But yeah, how about you, Johan? Like, what are some of the factors that you're considering since we're kind of in some shallower depths right now?
Yeah, so the trickiest part for me right now is that we're trying to follow like the single depth contour, but what that really topographically means is like we have all these rifts and valleys and ridges as we move across this ridge or across like around the mountain kind of. And so trying to make like micro adjustments and go a little more towards the seafloor or back off a little bit to try to adjust for that and try to keep us in this tight depth window that we're seeing all this cool stuff at. That's also deep enough to be safe. It's been a little tricky, but
You're the one
we're doing it.
communicating with the bridge and moving the
Area's
ship,
kind of
right?
wiped out. It's
Correct.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here
Thank
we
you
go.
for that insight and for sharing.
Because we're attached to the ship. We got to go where the ship goes. And if we
Yeah,
want to
I've
go...
tried to pull the ship. It doesn't really work
yeah,
out.
it doesn't work.
Yeah, how much force can the tether take?
Let's try.
Oh no.
More
We've
force
seen-
than Hercules can exert, I would
Oh.
guess.
Yeah, the 6-8, the armored tether that connects the ship to Atalanta, can take quite a load. Like we were seeing over 16,000 pounds, or like, well, I think 16,000 pounds on the deep dive the other day, like, which we're not. That's kind of like that's over the margin. We usually like I think Dan was saying like 15,000 is like let's rethink what we're doing, but at 15,000. But yeah, I think it's spec'd to like 20 or 25,000 pounds of weight. The yellow neutral tether that connects Hercules to Atalanta, I'm not really sure what that one can take. It's pretty significant though. There's Kevlar strands in there that as a strength member, so we can go butt to butt and have the ship tow us, and that can be some pretty large shock loads. But I'm not really sure what those numbers are.
Awesome.
Coming down. See, now I got lazy and started pulling Atalanta, getting too far from the ship. So now I'm backing down.
Oh, hello, trumpet fish. Yeah, thank you so much for that insight.
Yeah.
Is this the same one?
I think so.
Yeah, I think
he's following
Our
us.
buddy.
Yeah.
Have you seen this sort of interaction on past dives for either of our pilots, like when it comes to trumpet fish?
No, it's the first trumpet fish I've seen. Usually, I haven't been on vehicles that really dive anything under 200 meters.
Yeah, we don't often dive this shallow, so
yeah,
that's where they live.
So neat.
But I've seen them at swimming and scuba diving before, and they follow you around for sure. Oh, here's another one.
Oh, that's cool.
Is that one of those dislodged?
Yeah.
The tongues.
I'll learn better than, or I've learned to not get Eva's hopes up and say it's a cucumber.
No, I like the tongues.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Awesome.
Just because they're kind of creepy looking.
Oh,
Looks like
cool.
they're the only ones that have survived whatever's happened here.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's some broccoli growing.
Oh, tongues.
This whole area seems a little more disrupted. Oh, there's two of them.
Looks
So
like
they don't move, right? They just sit there. And that's where they grow.
So do they also spawn in the same way, like they release? Oh, neat.
Okay, Aaron, thanks.
Looks like we got a question from one of our friends in the chat. What is the room behind us? So that is our studio. That is where a lot of the ship-to-shore interactions are sort of like online calls or video calls with classrooms, different communities, science centers, and museums happen. So if you've ever signed up for a ship-to-shore interaction, that is the room where we hold them. Thank you for the question.
It's probably worth saying that, you know, anyone can request a ship-to-shore interaction.
And they're free.
Yeah. These are free.
Like school groups or adult, I don't know, any kind of group of people that want to have a chat with people on board about how things work, then
Look at that drop off.
Yeah, definitely. If you would like.
You might even get to speak with Amanda.
Oh, yeah.
If you're lucky.
Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, you know, if you go to our site, nautiluslive.org, and if you search for the ship-to-shore interactions, then you can schedule an online video call with any of the science communication fellows, or if you would like to request for like one of our engineers or scientists, you can do so that way. These are free, at least like 30-minute video calls. You can also request for a longer time if that's suitable for you. We'll give you sort of overview of like our focus for the current expedition, as well as like neat animals and like neat seascapes that we've come across on past expeditions. So this is just a really great way for you to really interact with some of the folks from our exploration team.
and you can be anywhere in the world.
Yeah, anywhere
we do
in the world.
24 hours.
Yes, around the clock.
Yeah, just anywhere in the world. You can request any time. These will be ongoing until the end of the expedition season.
Oh, there's a bigger
I
starfish
believe-
here.
Oh, yeah.
That's the biggest one we've seen, I
September.
think.
Whoa.
What is this?
That looks
Yeah,
like
that's cool.
it could be a
Is that
coral or
another
it could
one?
be a sponge.
It looks a bit like the sponge.
Mm-hmm.
And then once we've zoomed on that, can we zoom on the starfish, please?
Of course.
Yep, that's a sponge. And it
Oh.
looks like that burrow sponge.
That's a sponge.
Barrow?
Barrel.
Barrel.
But I don't know if barrel is a specific, it's just because we get deep sea barrel sponges. It's more like the shape.
So it has
Wow, so
grown
big.
around the corallite
Wow.
skeleton, and it has like come together in this giant colony.
Wow.
I wonder.
So is this is this sponge underneath all these?
Yeah, so it's like they were there and the sponge was growing
Oh
on top
my
of their...
gosh.
Oh,
At
then
least
interesting.
it's leaving their polyps out.
And
Yeah.
there are like these tiny little fishies on the left. Are those? Or were those my eyes just like playing tricks on me?
I mean, they might have flown through.
Yeah. Never. Oh, there's a little fish that just went by. Yeah, I wonder, are these like shallow water corals, are they squishy? Like, what is the texture?
No.
No?
Not really, no. Well, the Plerigyra's ones are, but like that Heliopora, it feels kind of soft, but it's still a hard skeleton underneath because it's tissue.
Oh, neat.
So the tissue, of course, is soft, and then there's generally a calcium carbonate skeleton underneath. That's a cool starfish.
Yeah, that's a different than the other little ones we've been seeing.
Looks like it has gold on it.
Yeah.
Like a little gold loop.
Fancy.
It's the same kind of shape as a Lynchia, but I don't think it is a Lynchia.
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah, little painted fingernails.
Oh,
Yeah, it does.
Totally.
so glam.
That's all the zoom I have.
No,
Okay.
it's great. Thank you.
Cool.
So cool.
Happy, Ben?
Yep.
Yeah.
The same things happen there with the growth of the sponge.
Uh-huh.
That is so neat. Let's see. I think someone asked in the chat, is that shrimp jail? I believe that you're referring to the sort of basket-shaped glass sponges that can be found in sort of deep sea ecosystems. That is not that type of sponge, but they are very lovely.
Those are called Venus basket sponges.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Venus
With the
basket.
shrimp inside?
Yeah, the ones with the shrimp inside.
The two shrimp that are a mated pair that are married together forever.
Yes. Though sometimes they don't have shrimp, sometimes they have worms.
Worms.
Sometimes they have amphipods, which are similar to shrimp, but not quite the same.
So-
all kinds of little friends living inside.
That's so cool.
It's
I
another
love
of the
that.
same
That's
kind
huge,
of sponge.
that one.
That one's giant.
Which one?
This whole thing.
Oh,
that's
wow.
Of the same
Yeah.
kind of sponge.
I'm not sure who that
the
fish
coral.
is.
I like the really vibrant red fins.
Want to give you some zoom?
Looking down inside the sponge.
Interesting. Now the sponge would be quite soft to touch.
Wouldn't?
Would.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What is nestled inside?
And then that coral off to the left, that's, so I figured it out. What
Son.
I believe it is of the genus Pachyceras, with that meandroid that follows the outline of the coral.
Mm-hmm.
And there's only really one genus of Pachyceras that's in the Marianas.
Oh, hello. Half a day. Oh, adios.
Colony surface is a series of concentric ridges parallel to the margins. The
Yep.
coralite centers are not discernible. And the extended tentacles of this
Yep.
species have never been
Whee!
recorded day or night. So if we get the tentacles extended on the Pachyceras, we will be the first ones to do that.
It's a new world record.
Yeah.
So what coral would you expect to see the tentacles reaching out at night among the ones we've seen?
The Poeciloporids, the Heliopora, we've been seeing the corals reaching out. Almost all of any branching coral, and then I would also expect to see the Porites extend their polyps as well. So the Porites are the ones that we've been seeing in kind of that encrusting, but they have almost like a golf ball or like a pitted like texture, but really, really small polyps. They also are prone to sticking out their tentacles as well. I am surprised, maybe it still is too deep. I'm surprised we're not seeing some like larger clams.
Oh, like the hema? Like the giant clam? Ooh, the tridacna. That'd be so beautiful.
Yeah. I don't know if we're too shallow or too deep.
What is their sort of sweet spot? Like, do you think?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Yeah, they're super neat too. They also have that sort of zooxanthellae, the photosymbiotic algae, in them as well.
Yeah, I would probably expect to see them maybe quite a bit shallower. Like, I think the deepest I've really ever seen them is around 30 to 40 meters. If we look off, I think we'll see that this is really quite a steep slope.
Yeah, it's almost vertical, it looks like.
Anytime I hear see this, I just see, I'm on the edge of glory.
I love that. And then, so we had, were you going to see something, Ben?
Nope. Yeah, it's steep. It's very steep.
Oh,
very,
wow.
very steep.
Good friends.
And it's interesting how these corals are growing, and it's almost perpendicular to the slope. So we've got some soldier fish. I think that we have some snapper.
Bridge nav.
Maybe a grouper.
So cool.
Hey, can we do another 20 at bearing 050,
There's
please?
a sea cucumber.
Thank you.
Oh, just hanging out.
Those
Do you want to zoom on those
purple
orange
ones don't like the steep slope, that's for sure.
Yeah.
There's a shark around you. We'll see if it comes in your viewing area.
There might be more eels kind of where there's a group of the fusilars that are kind of hanging out at the bottom.
Here,
yeah.
Oh, neat.
Do you want me to zoom all the way out, Ben?
Oh, there's an eel there. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Boy,
they really,
it's been pretty
predictable.
yeah.
Huh? They really hang out together.
Pretty constant when we see the whole. Oh, what is that on it? Is that a cleaning shrimp?
Yeah.
There was one on the other hole too.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is a pretty traditional cleaning station. We've got
There's one
shrimp.
on his nose and one below him. I wonder if the fish are doing the same thing.
They're so beautiful. Just a little spa day for our eel friend.
Look at that. He's got one on his head. That's so funny.
Yeah.
Little self-care cave.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're doing amazing.
I think the one that just hopped off might have been a peppermint shrimp.
A peppermint shrimp? That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't take it.
That is very cute.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Eva, so there's two little shrimp as well.
Is that another eel in there?
Eva, it's a spa day for our eel friend.
You missed the peppermint shrimp.
Yeah,
peppermint
it was
shrimp?
a
Oh my
peppermint
goodness.
shrimp.
Are they minty fresh?
Yeah, they are minty fresh.
There was
Oh, wait.
Of
There
the
was one
genus.
below
Wait,
him.
look at that smile.
There.
Yeah.
Having a great
Yeah,
time.
I think that's him. But there was one below. There was one riding on top of his
Pink
head.
and orange are so pretty.
Aren't
Yeah. And I
Yeah.
believe that these are those
no, that's
fusilars.
Wow. I like to think that all of these fish are just like complimenting the eel. You're going to feel so fresh after this. You're going to feel so exfoliated. You're going to be so amazing. Oh my goodness. You're going to have a great time. Oh, yeah. All of the other eels would love you so much.
I want to go
I
there.
think you should do a voiceover of this, Amanda.
Yeah. And the more he's just like, really? Oh my gosh, thank you. This was so good.
What's our depth right now?
75 meters.
Cool.
Do you want me
So
to zoom out, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay.
That shadow that came over was that shark again.
Is it the shark?
It wasn't the nurse one though. It's the one that has like the black tip on the
reef
back.
shark.
Yeah,
Sarah's on Shark Watch 24/7.
Yeah, she's got the overhead view.
I do.
Yeah, very sharp eyes.
She can see him circling
Well, and especially
around.
right now since like the viewing area is condensed, so it can really catch my eye when I'm watching.
Awesome. Yeah, it looks like we got a follow-up from one of our friends in the chat. Thank you so much for the info on the ship-to-shore calls. I'm going to send the link to my nibbling, who's a teacher. Oh, amazing.
Nice.
Thank you so much. So those ship-to-shore interactions, again, are free 30-minute video calls that we hold live from Nautilus. These are a way just to provide sort of outreach and to connect with various communities who are interested in our deep sea and ocean exploration expeditions. Yeah, you can also request like an engineer, a scientist, a certain SCF, anyone. It all depends on like what you prefer.
Therapist named Amanda.
Oh my God, thank you so much. And they're not just restricted to schools or community centers.
An eel also?
If you have a party, if you have a hangout,
Yeah,
like,
go ahead,
why
Ela.
not?
Or Aaron,
Oh, that would be a fun evening with your friends.
I've always wanted to do like a ship-to-shore interaction with a hangout.
What is that?
Coral.
It's just a funky looking one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought
Just
it was
a-
moving. It's
That was
funny.
just a
I
weird
guess
coral?
we were
Yeah.
moving.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is-
It's got that bluer tint.
Mm.
We're okay to zoom out now.
What do you think?
What do I think?
No, Aaron,
Oh.
if we need to do it.
I was like, I don't know.
I think this is awesome.
Yeah, I think I'm stoked. Okay. Oh, okay.
There's a lot more of this leafy
Yeah.
algae, or
Okay.
was that what
Leafy
it was?
algae.
Yeah.
Who's the keeper of the watch? What time do we have to start ascending?
8 o'clock, we want to be on deck. And it's 7:15. So probably
Yeah.
quarter of. Is that about right? Or
So we'll come up at like 20. Oh, there's a shark.
Oh, hello.
he's kind of small.
Yeah.
So 20 of 8, is that what you said, Ben?
We come up at 20 meters a minute, so we get like a couple. It's just right, isn't it right?
Well, we're at like the 550 meter check-in mark pretty much.
Yeah, we're like
already.
right there, so it'll be very
Probably 20 minutes for recovery then.
Yeah, we'd basically be like, oh, we're done. Turn over.
Hop up.
All yours.
Yeah, we'll just start streaming ahead and
Another cucumber.
hand them
So
the
we've
control.
got
Be done.
about a half an hour.
Yeah.
What's that orange thing in the middle?
Is that some of that sponge or?
Looks like it.
How shallow is this seamount? Does it go up
Oh,
to?
sorry, I was talking about the orange thing up in the right-hand corner, but I think that's
Here?
just a sponge too. It looks like an eyeball.
Oh yeah.
On the chart, isn't there something 30 meters or
I
something?
think 21 meters.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Is the shallowest the chart shows. We, in our mapping, I think we
Yeah.
mapped up to 39 meters, I think.
Ben,
this
can we
time.
try another
My
set of lights?
gosh.
You bet. So I have.
Oh.
How's that?
That's 0.
Comes down. Oops. down in mids. There's all three.
Yeah, I don't know. You want one?
I don't know.
Ben, do we have time to do a quick white balance?
Yeah. I mean, it'll take, yeah, like a
Gotcha.
couple minutes.
Craft.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I think
Yep.
the sea cucumber we're seeing is Holotheria atra.
Now I need my DVL.
Atra.
Atra. Well, Holotheria, all sea cucumbers are Holotherians, and Holotheria is, I think, just like the most sea cucumber of all sea cucumbers.
I'm going to need
not really,
porch
but
lights on
I imagine
too.
it was the
All right.
first one that was described.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it? Oh, got it.
So that's why I know it. I was
Yeah.
like, this one's familiar.
And the common name is a lollyfish.
Right down.
Yeah,
So
I'm not
there
sure
we go.
about that. Yeah. Or is that the one? Yeah.
That's a funny name for a sea cucumber.
Or a bulati or a bubulati. You're in Saipan.
Oh yeah, look at that. Lollyfish.
Sorry, this will just take a sec.
Just doing a color balance on the camera. for
Yeah,
a
the
few
sun
minutes.
officially went down.
Okay.
They call
Is
them
that- oh, here, sorry.
bubulati?
Bubulati.
So cute. Just
Yeah,
to
the
make it sound
genus-
cuter.
Yeah.
Genus Holotheria was described by Linnaeus in
Oh.
1758.
Wow.
Oh, Linnaeus.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going to go dark for a second.
Okay.
So are you suggesting that something should maybe be updated from 1758?
Well, a lot of the stuff he described does still hold up.
It does.
Okay.
That's true.
Oh,
Cool.
Sorry,
oh,
just
wait,
give me one
wait,
second.
no, wait, I was
you're
wrong.
doing great. Yeah.
Just keeping an eye on that tether because it is right up in front of me. Just FYI.
That was a different genus called Holotheria,
Okay,
which
thank
is now
you.
unaccepted.
Oh.
Thanks for that, Ben.
Bet.
So we just
Thank
got
you guys so much.
Can you make a mark of that too? Can you mark that in your notes?
Yep.
Back row team that
Yep,
has
got
notes.
it.
Gotcha.
Awesome,
Thank
thank you.
We just got another very sweet comment from one of our friends in the chat. This is coming from Muddy. Hello team, in 2017 or 2018, I was watching you on the Endeavour vent field and my youngest girl was watching with me. She was watching Dan working on connecting data cables. That was the moment that her love for Nautilus started. I just got a photo of her making her first deep sea connection. Oh,
Aw.
thank you. Thank you so much for sharing that, Muddy, and thank you so much for joining us once again as we explore the deep sea.
Oh no, it was still Linnaeus, but it was 1767, not
Perfect.
58.
So we are currently diving on a sort of like shallower seamount here. We've seen a lot of like
Fish.
sort of
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
just-
coral reefs,
Just resting.
Go for it, Aaron.
an amazing array of
Oh, that's a parrotfish.
sea. Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh!
Yep, that's a parrotfish.
He's like
Starting
oh,
to
yeah,
make his
yeah.
little
Oh,
mucus
parrots.
bubble.
Wow! Oh, this is.
What do you mean
Hello.
mucus
Awesome.
bubble?
It's their little
I'll
sleeping
tell
bag.
you when
Oh,
we
yeah?
stop oohing and
Yeah.
eyeing. Yeah.
So they do that every night?
Every night they make a little mucus bubble to sleep in.
Really?
Yep.
For protection?
For
some reason.
for some reason. I can't remember why.
Yeah.
Johan?
No, I don't remember.
Yeah.
Huh. So he's going to bed for the night.
Amazing.
Let's see, with those colors, okay, so that's definitely an adult. Probably a super male. So they have three different.
Super male.
Yeah, they have three different life forms. And the super males are when they are their largest and their final color form. I'm guessing based on this coloration, it looks like a Scarus Psittacus or a pale nose parrotfish. And then let me see why they make their mucus bubbles. This is really fantastic to see. Parrotfish are a really important component of the reef. They are coralivorous, so they actually eat they'll scrape the algae off of the coral, and they help with, you can actually see some of the little bite marks up above in the coral, up above, and then you'll see like longer scrape marks too.
So we haven't seen many of them.
We haven't seen many of them. So they make the mucus bubbles. They're essentially protective sleeping bags to shield themselves from parasites and potentially predators while they sleep. It keeps them safe from biting like parasitic isopods that would attach themselves to the fish while they sleep otherwise.
Those isopods.
It also may serve the purpose to mask their smell from nighttime predators.
Wow. So how can you see it? I can't see it.
You can't really see it. I don't know if it's fully made it yet. I'm not sure how they actually like excrete it. Yeah, if they like excrete it out of their scales or...
And what's this purple stuff off to the side here?
The purple stuff off to the side is... I couldn't even take a guess, nice. But it's really pretty. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, in Chamorro, these fish, I've heard them be called Palaxi or Lagua. Lagua.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And those two names, one is indicative of size, but I can't remember which one's the larger one. I think Palaxi are the larger, and Lagua are the smaller, but we'll need to fact check me on that one.
Yeah, I think that would be great to ask Sean, but I
think Sean was watching when I went downstairs. So
awesome.
If you're listening, Sean, let us know.
Do you think he sleeps in this same spot every night?
Maybe. They do have, like...
Did you just turn off the light?
They're not pelagic, so they have a territory. So this could be his little cubby hole.
I don't know if that works quite as well.
It's not. You're right.
No.
Sean says he's not sure, but he wants you guys to turn on the lasers.
Oh, so we can see how big it is?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sean. And, you can chime in at any time on SPL if you would like to, like, share anything as we explore. But, yeah, like, these are just very beautiful.
Like 25?
Fish.
30
and just very beloved within the culture of the Marianas here.
Okay.
So as we were saying, they have those 3 life phases. They've got the juvenile phase, the initial phase. During the initial phase, the parrotfish is female.
Oh, really?
And then in the terminal life phase, it switches to male.
Oh, nice.
And so that's where you get that terminology of super male.
Yeah. I think like it's also so fascinating that in the Chamorro language there are different names for different sizes and life stages of certain fish, and it really speaks
shark
to
in your
sort
butt.
of the deep connections that the people of this area have with their ecosystems.
It's like really checking this out.
It's the only time I can say something.
It's just shark in your butt.
That is a sizable parrotfish.
Yeah.
How big was it?
25,
30 centimeters?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Oh, look at those. Is that those corals up there?
Yeah, those look like corals. It looks like the
Hey, Ben, is our
Heliophora.
camera slightly over to the right? Or am I? No, I'm good. Nope.
It is.
It is. Cool. Can we center a little? Thank you.
Yeah, it's still those, some at least are those Heliopora, but I do see branching colonies on either side.
It's more diverse coral landscape here.
Let's see, what are depths?
So they were just
61.
Sorry,
yeah, so we're
No, you're good. They were just saying you can see Herc off the side of the boat right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see, like, you can make it out.
Which ones?
cool.
So we're
that's great.
That is
crazy.
Oh, awesome.
We're about the shallowest that we've been in the dive. So we're at 61 meters.
Yeah.
That's about 120 feet. That is about where probably the depth that the deepest I would expect to see a parrotfish at. They really aren't a super deep species simply because of that relationship that they do have with the photosynthetic corals
Yeah.
and the skeleton building corals.
Isn't most of this kind of sand parrotfish poo?
Sure is.
Or
There we
Thank
go.
you.
Yeah.
crunchy stuff, huh? That, I mean, when they eat the coral,
Yeah,
they kind of
it's
munch some of it, right?
So now we're getting into a
Ooh,
really
look at this one.
good
Really diverse,
diversity of the
yeah.
branching corals.
Yeah.
We've got the Heliopora, of course, but we also have the Poeciloprids.
so
I'm
I'm
starting to
gonna
see some croprids
turn
here.
my auto heading off right now.
Thanks.
That
So
way you can check this last little bit.
it's really interesting in that 10-meter increment, you know, we go from 80 meters where we're not seeing any corals grow. Then we went to 70 meters where
I think
we're
we
starting
might
to see...
need to change though because of our tether wraps.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to look at the species distribution with depth.
Yeah. And this
But
is...
my sense is also it's changed
see.
laterally too, because I mean, for big stretches, it was just all
Turn
that
on
one
all my-
kind,
all
or
of
dominant.
the grapes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But here, there is much more patchy, huh?
We go this way.
You'll see changes both along the
to
contour
starboard.
or
Back
you know,
on.
going
All right.
across the contours.
Yeah.
Generally, when we're doing surveys, we stick to about
Just keeping an eye. We're at about
35-foot contour, just depending on what our
delta's just at.
target survey is. But
7
we stick
meters,
along the
but
contour line and then
turn
go
it.
laterally.
Yeah.
But I think for this particular seamount,
All right,
especially
I'm
because of how
spinning
steep that
round.
slope is,
Yeah,
it would
yeah.
have been, it probably would have been interesting to...
Is there
Just
parrotfish
keeping an
Go up.
eye.
There's our
All
parrotfish
right.
brand.
Oh yeah.
And there's our tether, just going under, which is what we want. I'll keep spinning.
I want to say thank you to the team at the Fuller's Brewery in Chiswick who are watching us and say they're very impressed.
Oh,
Thank you guys for watching.
thank you for watching.
If they're interested, they can schedule a ship to shore
All right.
interaction. They're free. They're even in
Hey,
video
that's the
All right, I'm
neighborhood where
turned
my
all
cousin
around. We're
lives.
good.
It's my
Okay.
my
Do
dad's
whatever
at
you
work.
want to do.
Oh, that's so fun.
Yeah. They can totally hang out with us.
Shout out to Eva.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna leave
shout
my
out to
auto
Eva.
heading on opposite you for the moment while we're
I'll try and just
still a
poke
little
my head up
loose.
a little and
Yeah.
That's fun.
see what we get.
Did you tell them?
Although it does make me thirsty
Yeah.
Yeah.
to hear that.
For,
Do they want to
for a
sponsor
beer.
us?
Yeah.
You come to London, you can have a tour.
Oh, awesome.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow, look at this one.
Yeah.
Their growth is so cool. I don't know how else to put
They
it.
kind of remind me of
Those trees.
what
like
those
in
like
the-
baobab?
That was
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
snap.
tree,
Yeah.
So again, we are seeing quite high diversity. We're still seeing some of the dominant species that we were seeing earlier in the transect. We've gone up about 10 meters, I think, in our contour. Yeah, we're at 63 meters now.
A little bit shallower.
I
Yeah.
feel like we're seeing more diversity in height.
Mhm.
Like
Yeah,
the landscape's a bit more dynamic.
Yeah.
So when we talk about the difference in height and we're referring to reefs, that's actually called the rugosity
I
of
was
the
about to
reef.
say, is it rugosity?
You got it. And oftentimes we use rugosity as a measure of biodiversity.
Yeah.
So in theory, the more
Oh, that's why people
rugose
just
a
have a
reef
fish.
is, the
Oh, wow, look
the
at
More
more
diverse.
diverse it is.
Yeah, look
It's
at
like a
this.
forest.
Mhm.
And visually, we can imagine what, if we were to lay a line along the top of all of these corals, you can kind of imagine how up and down it would go.
Yeah.
And so rugosity is essentially taking the measurement of that
Oh,
line.
look at this guy.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a lionfish or?
No.
No, it's a
Oh.
crinoid. It's
Oh,
a,
that's can I zoom in?
that's a
Yeah,
feather
go for it,
star, I think.
Or is it a
Or is it-
shrimp?
No.
Who are you? No.
What are you?
Oh.
Who are you?
I think you're right.
I think it's a crinoid.
Crinoid, yeah.
Yeah.
They move?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the one we saw these in the deep sea. These are comatulid crinoids, so they're not stalked.
Yeah.
And we saw them like attached to sponges and stuff, but these ones in shallow water you tend to see swim around. So there
Oh,
it's
there's
little
this-
like almost foot
Yeah.
bit that's what it attaches to.
That holds on with that.
And it holds on.
Oh my goodness, they move. That is so cool.
He like
He's
did a
really,
little
he's really
skydive.
moving.
They're
I've
mobile.
not seen one move like this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why? So I assume he's just looking for a better perch from
Yeah,
which
maybe.
to filter feed or something?
Yeah.
It's wild to see
God,
them
I've not
move.
seen one walk along the ground. Like, I mean, I'm sure they do. I've never seen it.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one's
usually
super mobile.
they get to a spot they like and they just
And they just
hold
on. Yeah.
I didn't know that they were so fast.
I didn't either.
And that's it. That's the echinoderm bingo finished.
Wow. Yeah, you were
Wow.
saying you were looking for a crinoid.
Viva!
We've got that surgeonfish.
So review
underneath.
the bingo card.
So you've got starfish,
Yeah.
brittle stars. I think we saw one of them. I'm not 100% on that. You've got crinoids, you've got urchins, and you've got sea cucumbers.
Got them all.
And they're all echinoderms, meaning spiny skin.
They're so cool.
Okay.
No, that was really cool. Look at it climbing
It
along.
almost,
It
I
is
mean,
going.
I wonder if
it's on-
Brianna
it's on a
saw
mission.
this and thought it might be a sea spider.
On
'cause
an adventure.
It kind of looks
Yeah.
like one. A little bit.
You had that down pat from quite far away.
It's
Look at
the
those legs.
pinnules,
Yeah.
the way its arms are so spiny.
Yeah, I wonder if
Yeah.
that coral's stinging it. It's like, ow, ow, ouch.
I wonder.
A lot of the tropical crinoids have these parasites called mysostomids, which are a type of worm that are really actually quite pretty, I think, when you take them off. They're not your typical parasitic worm,
Oh,
and they
neat.
can be quite bright colours and have fun patterns on them.
You're making a parasite
we zoom
sound
out?
very appealing.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is so cool. I had no idea that crinoids moved like that.
Not all of them. Some of them are attached. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
but
you
some
get
of
the
them
ones
are-
with the long stalks
and
that
some-
are just
What's
completely...
that in
They-
the
and
in the?
they can also swim in the water.
Yeah, that
right?
ones like that.
Do you
can
see
swim
at the
around.
bottom right?
No, where?
It's I think it's on this big coral. Or not
Oh,
coral,
oh,
sorry.
Yeah,
yeah.
down in the bottom
Is
right,
it
there's some
more?
movement there. There it is.
Yeah,
Is it more
What is that?
crinoids?
I just
Oh,
saw
it's
them.
another one,
Oh,
yeah.
oh,
It's a
right
bunch
there.
of them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, this is a
This?
brittle star.
Those are brittle
No,
stars.
no.
Or no, I mean
Is it
Oh, there's
basket
one in the
star.
upper
Oh, baskets are left.
two.
I don't know.
And
I'm...
Oh my goodness.
isn't it?
I think no, that's a crinoid again.
Is it?
That's
Yeah.
I think
They wind up their arms like that?
yeah,
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I think
Boy,
that's the
they're-
same type.
I wonder if this
That's
is a
Are
time,
they
time
carnivorous?
of day
Long
behavior.
arms. Wow.
Boy, look at those
Look
arms.
at that, the way they sort of fling them
Wow.
out.
Yeah.
And all the little sort of spikes coming off the arms are called pinnules.
They're just
Um,
hanging out. Ooh, enjoying the current.
Okay.
Wow.
What do they
Oh, wow. I think most of them are filter feeders.
eat? Okay.
So they'll be, that's why they're sort of drawing them in, their arms out and in to catch stuff in the water column. And I think they can pass the food down their arms, down towards their mouth, which is in the center.
That is so neat. Just a little bundle of them
Yeah.
just hanging out.
I'm glad we white balanced again.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Thank
one
you
up
all.
here too. Boy,
Yeah.
there's
Yeah.
so many of them.
Cool. They're like ornaments on a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
So cool.
Wild.
Yeah.
Rugosity.
Rugosity.
See, look,
Those are the
those
parasite
are the
worms.
parasitic worms.
Oh, worm party. I did want to take a moment to give a shout out. A few of my friends are watching the stream. Hi, Rob. Hi, Trin. Thank you so much for tuning in and for sort of fangirling over everything that we've been looking, all the fishes and the crinoids. It's wonderful to have you on, and I miss you all.
This is such a different assemblage here at the end. It's really, looks so different than
Yeah.
than where where we came on watch.
It's just as we're getting more and more into that photic zone, you know, we're
I guess
leaving
we're
the
getting
twilight
shallower,
zone.
yeah.
Yeah, we're getting shallower. 10 meters of depth, that's about 30 feet. That's quite
a lot.
yeah.
Hmm. Oh, here's more of the purple guys off to the left, huh?
Yeah, more of the player, but it is lessening. And we're starting to see more of the other branching corals kind of take over.
Mm-hmm.
Again, a lot of them being polypsarids and acroporids. I'm not sure what that darker purple corals is. I'll
This
have
one?
to, yeah, I need to take a look at that.
You can zoom if you need to.
Yep, that would be lovely. I'll have to ID it later because I don't even have the faintest idea.
A little at the end here.
Okay.
If you can zoom more, go for
I
it.
can zoom more.
This is, yeah,
Cool.
very.
I don't know, does that help?
That helps. It gives me kind of an idea of the texture and maybe the polyp size. Yeah.
It looks a little bit like that stuff that was near the parrotfish.
Yeah. And then we are seeing some halimeda, which is the seagrass, or I'm sorry, an algae that we had asked about earlier, and I hadn't known the name.
Which is the algae?
There's some good patches of it right here.
Oh, the yellowy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
And if you look into the water column, we're starting to see a lot more, maybe it's because of the light, but we're starting to see a lot more little food items in the water too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the scattering layer coming to the surface?
I would say so.
The zooplankton and...
Yeah, and we're also, we're a little late, but last week was a spawning week for a lot of our acroprid species.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, I'm kind of getting the impression there's fewer fish. Are they like going to hiding out for the evening?
Can we zoom out a little bit?
That's all I've got.
Perfect. And then if we look along...
Oh, you want it like that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then if we look out to the right or just right or left, I'm wondering if we'll see more fish out of our view.
Uh-huh.
No, because they want to be away from the light.
I'm guessing, yeah, a lot of the fish that are closer to the reef are more used to kind of a hide tactic. More of a ambush predator and prey tactic rather than when we were at Ayi, when there was that really, it was a lot more exposed. So
yeah,
the pelagics there they had different predation tactics. So I'm thinking everybody here is kind of hunkering down for the night because the fish that are generally associated with these reefs are a little bit smaller. Thank you, pilot and videography team.
Yeah, thank you.
You have been so accommodating and kind.
And like the flying of the focus has been phenomenal. It's been amazing.
If I were diving, my face would just be buried.
Well, a really fun part of this expedition is that we're visiting so many different kinds of sites.
Christmas tree worms.
Oh, yeah.
And each day is completely different from the previous ones and from the next one. So
Yeah, there's something for everyone.
It's been a fun visit to the shallow ocean.
Yeah.
What's that?
The top of the
Do they want to zoom on that?
I don't know.
Yes, please.
I was just
What
pointing
are we
out more
zooming
Christmas.
at?
I was just pointing out more
just straight
Christmas
ahead.
tree worms.
Straight ahead.
And tomorrow we'll be returning to the deep
Maybe not.
ocean.
No.
No.
Just
Psych
some
out.
little
Yeah,
You tricked me.
I did. I'm so sorry. Will you forgive me?
Maybe.
Fair enough. It's a betrayal most deep.
Oh my
You
goodness.
did say you're hardest on the people you like the most.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, look.
All right.
There's a starfish hiding in there.
Hopefully I've been forgiven.
Oh yeah, back in the little hole.
Yeah.
All right, should I zoom back out?
Yes,
Yeah, go ahead,
thank you.
Okay.
All right, we've reached the end of our time at
We
the
have.
bottom.
That is
It's
amazing.
been a great dive.
This is incredible.
So fun to get so much color. Tomorrow we're going down to 3,600 meters
Yay!
to a hydrothermal vent area in the Mariana Back Arc.
Back in.
On the
I'm
Hop-a-Day event.
excited
And
about
it
Yeah.
this.
has very spectacular black smoker chimneys with
Wow.
high temperature vents. At least it
And-
did 9 years ago. So we have to
So what time
cross our
are,
fingers. It's
what
still
time are we
active.
going in?
Launch is at 8 o'clock
In the morning?
in the morning for
Okay.
a 12-hour dive for recovery at 8 p.m.
Oh, that's not very long with such a long descent and ascent.
It's a relatively small area.
Okay.
Yeah, so join us tomorrow if you can. It will be also very fun in a very different environment. No parrotfish.
Yeah, back on y'all's playground.
Well, you never know.
Yeah.
Or I imagine Verena will be up for the whole thing.
So will I, probably. Kelsey, thank you for giving us a tour.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of the shallow reefs of the Mariana region.
Thank you all
It's
for
awesome.
being so excited and interested. This was really special for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and truly a really beautiful, unique ecosystem. It's quite difficult to see coral reefs that are this healthy and vibrant. So,
Well, I'm
amazing.
very happy to have seen it.
yeah.
What a gift. You
I
know.
think I haven't really seen very many reefs at all in my time, and this is
Yeah.
probably the best one.
It was amazing. You know, in my time as like a science communicator, a lot of my career has been focused on like writing articles about coral restoration, about all the factors that kind of harm coral reef ecosystems. And I just want to say that it was such a gift to see such an abundant and vibrant and just kind of flourishing coral reef ecosystem. This is not a site that I have seen a lot. And what a gift. And what a gift to see it in the waters that I call home. So thank you so much for sharing this adventure with us as we learn from the ocean. We just got a viewer comment that said, Kelsey's info has been so great. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you all for joining us here tonight in the Pacific. It's been very wonderful. We are just getting ready for our ascent and then our eventual transit to our next dive site.
Thanks, Amanda.
Thank
It's
you.
my,
Amanda.
Thank you.
my
Thank you,
unfun
everyone.
turn
Thanks for
to
hurting
say
us,
we're
cats.
at 50 meters, so only operational talk
Thank
from
you,
now on.
ROV
Thank
team.
you.
Thank you, everybody.
Good to go.
We need to start the ship forward at our current heading at
Are we holding at 50 right now, sir? Sir, are we holding right now at 50? Are we holding right now at 50?
Okay. Yeah, it's right under the boat. Okay. Can you turn off all your lights? Oh, except for the aft light. It's just so we can see the butt tether. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah, I'm trying to correct now a little bit. Right. Okay.
Control, back deck. Just checking in with you guys and seeing if you have a updated estimate of time.
Deck control, we're still evaluating the currents at 50 meters. Yeah, we'd like to speed the boat up to 1 knot if you are comfortable with that.
That copies. If we can try 0.5 to start and see how Hercules is trailing, and if that's not working, then we'll go ahead and speed up from there, but let's try a slower speed to start with.
Copy, we are already at half a knot right now.
That copies. I guess let me know once you guys are oriented to come up. Maybe the surface currents might be a little bit different.
Control copies. Break, bridge, control.
Yes, go ahead.
Can we please speed the ship up to 0.1 knots at our current heading? 1.0 knots, sorry.
Say again, please.
Can we please speed up the ship to 1.0 knots, please?
Roger, 1 knot.
we're happy with our current recovery configuration. You are clear to start pulling us up.
Copies, control is cleared. Break, bridge, back deck. Permission to go ahead and recover the vehicles.
Charlie to recover vehicles.
Do that, thank you, bridge.
He set the watch. Nice. Yeah, that's a lot of dives, eh, for expeditions. Yeah, 4 expeditions. It's like, well, he's still navving. He's still navving. Oh, come on.
Control, back deck. Got eyes on Herc coming up in between the goalposts.
Eyes on her coming up.
Yeah. Or you told me to stay under the water. Okay. Yeah.